Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 7 legit ways to make money in dollars anywhere you are in the world. If you're in Africa, India, the Asian continent, wherever you are in the world, you can make money through these ways I'm going to show you and earn in dollars. We know that when you earn in dollars, you'll be able to have more money if you live in Africa after doing the exchange. So if this is something you would like to know more, please continue watching this video. Before I get to the video of today, my name is Winnie Nshom, and on this channel I make videos about different business ideas. I make videos about how to make money online, and I'm planning on making more videos on dropshipping, web design, and much more. Only if I see that people are interested. So if you're interested in things like these, please subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into the video of today. So today I'm going to show you 7 legit ways you can make money in dollars anywhere you are in the world. So I'm going to go step by step. Today I'm not going to be sharing my screen. I'll just be talking. And of course, if there's any of these ways that you would like to get started, you can put it in the comment section and I'm going to do a video about it in details. And if I have done a video about it before, I'm going to put the link in the description box below, and there will be a thumbnail on the screen of that particular video so that you can refer it and watch it. So the first legit way to make money and earn in dollars is to become a freelancer. On this my channel, I've talked about doing freelancing before, and I talked about Fiverr and many other. You can become a freelancer. Who is a freelancer? A freelancer is simply someone who is self-employed, who can be self-employed at any time. They are not determined by any contract, nothing. They just put in their own hours. They say, I want to work this hour, this is what I can do for you, and this is what you're going to pay me. So that's what freelancing is all about. So a legit way to make money online is to become a freelancer. How do you become a freelancer? There are many websites where you can sign up and put in your profile of what exactly you want to offer. If you are good in graphic design, you can go to fiverr.com and of course sign up and set up a profile as a graphic designer. And then those who need graphic designing are going to reach out to you and say, I need you to design this for me, and they're going to get paid. You can do this anywhere in the world, and the fact is that you're going to be paid in dollars because Fiverr is an American company who pays everyone that is signed up on their platform in dollars. So it's a very easy way to start up. I've done a video about it before. I'm going to put a link about it in the description box below. And a thumbnail will be showing now on the screen about that particular video. You can refer it and then you can watch the video and know more about how you can become a freelancer and earn money in dollars. The second legit way you can make money and earn in dollars is to start a YouTube channel. Yes, you can start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is actually very free. There is nothing you need to pay for. The only thing is you need to give it time in order for you to grow your channel. And as long as you're doing something that's valuable, just like myself, you can see my channel is growing. I'm now at 1,500 subscribers plus, and I've been monetized by YouTube. So it might take a little bit of time, but if you're doing something that's valuable, then you can make money and you get paid in dollars. A lot of people from Africa, Nigeria, Cameroon, wherever you are in Africa have YouTube channels, and they're earning thousands of dollars every month. You can add to that group. All you need to do is to create a channel from your YouTube account. The same YouTube account you're using now to watch me, you can create a channel with that same YouTube account. All you need to do is to use your phone, the phone you have in your hand now, and do something. Think, what am I good in? What is it that I know that I can teach people? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself. If you find that there is something important that you can teach people, then you can start a YouTube channel. And in no time, you're going to start getting money from YouTube. And I tell you, once you start getting money from YouTube, it only gets better. So if you want to earn dollars, that is one of the legit ways you can get started. The third legit way that you can make money and earn dollars is to become an affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer is someone who advertises other people's products, and when that product is bought through them, they get a commission. That's what an affiliate marketer is. You can become an affiliate marketer, and the best way is to use ClickBank. I've done a video before about ClickBank, so if you want to know more about ClickBank, you can check in the description box below. I'm going to put the link in the description box below so that you can watch that particular video if you want to become an affiliate marketer. You can make thousands and thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing. You don't need to create any product. You don't need a website. You can even do it from your Facebook page. You can do it from any social media account, and you will just find yourself receiving commission upon commission. So that is a very good way to make money online and get paid in dollars. The next way you can make money and get paid in dollars is to take online surveys. I have made a lot of videos about online surveys. Yes, most of you don't know that if you start doing online surveys, you can start earning today. There are a lot of channels who are willing to pay you to take surveys. There are a lot of businesses who are willing to pay you to take surveys for them. And I've made a video about this. I just made a video last week about different websites that Africans can take survey from, because it's not all the websites where Africans can. So, and since I have a lot of subscribers from Africa, that's why I made this video. So if you want to make money and start earning in dollars, taking surveys online will be one of the best legit ways. I'm going to put the link to that video below so that you can get started to start making money and earning in dollars. The next legit way you can make money online is to write an ebook. I have also made a video about how you can make money writing. I have also made a video about writing ebooks. You can actually write a book without starting from scratch. There is a way you can do it, and I have made a video concerning that. I'm not going to go into details because I don't want to make this video too long. Just check in the description below and you'll see the video I made about ebooks. You can watch that video, and if you have a question, put in the comment section. I'm going to reach out to you and help you as much as I can. So if you want to make money and start earning dollars, you can start writing ebooks and sell wherever you are. If you're in Nigeria, you can write your book and sell in schools. You can sell to your friends. You can sell your books online. You can sell your books wherever you want to sell. And you will start writing that ebook without spending a dime. You're not going to spend any money to write ebooks. So that video will be in the link description below. You can check it out and start making money in dollars. Another legit way that you can make money and get paid in dollars is to start dropshipping. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply you selling products that you didn't buy. It's simply you sourcing out products and putting it on your Facebook page or your WhatsApp status, and when people order it, you then order it from the suppliers, and then the suppliers will send it to the person, and then you take the difference in payment. So this is a very good business that you can start without anything. All you need to do is to take the pictures of whatever you want to sell, you post wherever you want to post, and when there is an order that comes in through you, you then go to the people who are selling that product and order on behalf of that person, and then the people will send to the person, and then you take the difference, you take the profit after paying the supplier. So dropshipping, it's a very, very good way to start making money and earning in dollars. So if you want to start dropshipping, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video showing you how you can dropship starting today from zero. You don't have to spend anything, and then you will start making money in dollars when people order from the US and in other parts of the world. The last way for today that you can start making money and earning dollars is to build a blog. We all know that blogging has made people millionaires. We know about the renowned leader Ikeji, who has become a millionaire just from blogging. Blogging is something that you can start from scratch. This is something that we'll get into if I see that people are interested. So if you want to be interested in starting a blog, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to get into details and make a video about that. You can start a blog, start writing things online, how you can start writing inline, where you can get your information from, and things like that. And then you put it on your blog, and then when people read, you can add ads on your blog. When people go to your website, they can watch the ad, or they click a link, whatever Google puts on your blog, and then that's how you make money. That's how most of these people make money. And when your blog has become really renowned, you're going to get endorsement deals. You're going to get companies reaching out to you and asking you to advertise for them and things like that. So those are the 7 ways that you can make money and get paid in dollars. Number one, I talked about freelance. Number two, I talked about YouTube channel. Number three, I talked about affiliate marketing. Number four, I talked about online surveys. Number five, I talked about writing an ebook. Number six, I talked about dropshipping. And number seven, I talked about starting a blog. So these are the 7 legit ways you can start making money and earning in dollars. If you want to start any of this and you need help, please write a comment in the comment section and tell me what help you need, and if I can make a video about it, I will, and then you can start earning money. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it, because YouTube is going to place my video for more people to see, so that I can also grow my channel. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you know that you need people to grow your channel. I need you to grow my channel as well. So please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, please. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you next time when I make another video. Bye bye.